2023 Ford Edge ST, what we know so far. In terms of performance, the 2023 Ford Edge ST is unquestionable. This car is capable of being a comfortable explorer that is equipped with various driver assistance features, including the Co-Pilot 360 feature from Ford, which is ranked American Samoa the top safety pick. The Ford Edge ST 2023 brings a powerful engine in the form of a 2.7-liter turbocharged V6 engine that produces 335 horsepower and is channeled to all-wheel drive. The new Ford Edge ST 2023 is expected to reach 60 miles per hour in less than 6 seconds. Of course, some of its competitors such as the 2023 Chevrolet Blazer and the 2023 new Honda Passport will provide fierce resistance in its ranks. Ford Edge ST 2023. In its latest generation, the 2023 Ford Edge ST concept offers several small improvements, such as improvements in driving comfort and several improved technologies. Improvements to the infotainment system are in the form of a 12-inch touchscreen and equipped with the latest SYNC4 features from Ford. Not only that, there is a heated steering wheel, 10-way passenger seats, rear parking sensors now present on the new Edge ST 2023. This car also gets an upgrade on the gearbox side, namely engine power is now driven through a 7-speed automatic transmission. New Ford Edge ST 2023 exterior. On the exterior, the new Ford Edge ST 2023 offers a simple style but looks tough and has fast performance. The 2023 Edge ST is equipped with 20-inch alloy wheels, fake vents, dual exhausts, black hexagonal grille, and is equipped with front and rear LED lights. Seen from the dimensions, the new Edge ST 2023 is a crossover that has a fairly large size with an overall length of 189 inches, has a wheelbase of 112.5 inches, and a height of 68.5 inches, with a ground clearance of 8.5 inches. The Edge 2023 is 76 inches wide and has a maximum weight of 4,122 pounds, while the 2023 Ford Edge ST model has a maximum weight of 4,515 pounds. This difference is due to the heavier V6 engine in the 2023 Ford Edge ST compared to the 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that comes with the regular 2023 Ford Edge. 2023 Ford Edge ST model engine. As a vehicle that prioritizes performance, the 2023 Ford Edge ST redesign relies on a powerful engine in the form of a 2.7-liter turbocharged V6 engine that produces 335 horsepower of power and 380 lb-ft of torque. This V6 engine will reach a maximum power of 335 horsepower at 5,500 rpm. The performance produced by the V6 engine is almost like a turbocharged diesel engine, although with an additional 1000 rpm. New Edge ST 2023 interior. In its latest generation, the Ford Edge ST 2023 receives an upgrade to the interior with a fresher design. The inside of the cabin is decorated with a 12-inch touchscreen interface like the new Ford Mustang Mach-E 2023. Some physical buttons are still available because Ford did not transfer all controls to the touchscreen interface. Some of the buttons in the form of the main sound system and buttons for adjusting climate control are still separate. Not only that, the 2023 Ford Edge ST also offers special bucket seats in several model variants and is equipped with a 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system. The front is also decorated with a 4.2-inch dual LCD screen in the instrument cluster, as well as an updated infotainment screen on the front center console. 2023 Edge ST Cargo and Space. As a vehicle that is in the crossover range, it is fitting for the new Edge ST 2023 to offer a large cargo capacity. Of course, this car doesn't disappoint with the rear seats in place. The 2023 Edge ST has 39.5 cubic feet of space. But lowering the rear seats will result in a wider cargo space of 73.4 cubic feet. The latest generation 2023 Ford Edge model also offers impressive interior storage. Inside the cabin, there are double cup holders on the back of the middle seat in the rear row. On the front there is also a pair of cup holders, as well as large storage located behind the center console. The middle passenger seat is also equipped with armrests and is equipped with a large storage area. Overall, the Ford Edge 2023 is capable of being a very practical vehicle. 2023 Ford Edge ST redesign features. New Edge ST 2023 is equipped with advanced features and looks very good. Some of these features in the form of the Copilot 360 feature, Hill Start Assist, Lane Keep Assist, Blind Spot Monitoring, and Collision Warning are available. The car is also equipped with Remote Start, dual 4.2-inch LCDs in the instrument cluster, keyless entry with push-button start, cruise control, rain-sensing wipers, rear parking sensors and automatic LED headlights. Other features include wireless charging, heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, hands-free liftgate, ambient lighting, and heated steering wheel. Not only that, several additional features such as adaptive cruise control, panoramic sunroof, 180-degree parking camera, and ventilation for the front seats are also available. 2023 Ford Edge ST price release. Although Ford has not provided a leak regarding the 2023 Ford Edge ST price, it is estimated that the price offered will increase slightly compared to before. Preliminary estimates, price of the Ford Edge ST 2023 will start from MSRP $44,000. The price excludes a destination fee of $1,250 and an acquisition cost of $650. As for the price of the new Ford Edge ST 2023, the high variant will reach the range of $55,000.